Dawn the Dinosaur here from Isaac, and we are going to see who's better out of these two. And please comment and see if you'll see who's the best. First, peanut butter jelly time, Brian. It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Ooh yeah, dangle, dangle. Peanut butter jelly, 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 little bit pop back. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, little bit pop back. Let's watch how this turd does. Let me take his pulse. He passed out. Did he really scream himself to passing out? Yep, real fan store production.